One of my favorite things to do is simply go for a walk and see what I can discover. Today, I'm going to take you on the north side of Palmer Square, where we'll explore beautiful homes, incredible architecture, and a few places you might recognize from Chicago Med. I'm Beth. Welcome to BB in the City, where every corner has a story. Come on, let's go for a walk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's free. Oh, before we keep walking, I want to show you something. This sculpture is called Helping Hands. I always smile when I see it. It's little touches like this that make Palmer Square such a fun neighborhood to explore. Come on, let's keep walking. One of my favorite things about exploring on foot is that every walk feels like it's different. Sometimes it's a house you've never seen before, sometimes it's a beautiful garden, and sometimes it's just slowing down enough to appreciate where you're at. I swear, every time I walk through Palmer Square, I spot something I've never noticed before. Maybe it's a colorful front door, a beautiful garden, or some little detail that makes me stop and think, wait, has that always been there? That's why I keep coming back. Come on, let's keep going on a walk. Okay, now this house is showing off a little. This is 3042, another Chicago Med filming location. I mean, just look at it. This is one of those houses that makes me slow down every single time I walk by. I absolutely love it. Come on, let's go for a walk. Calling all Chicago Med fans, this one's for you. This is 3030. The second I saw this house, I thought, yep, I can see why they film here. It's just one of those homes that's hard not to stop and admire. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. All right, we've got one more stop for all of you Chicago Med fans. This is 3022. I actually love that the show features more than just beautiful homes. Buildings like this are just as much a part of Chicago's story. There's so much character packed into every detail. It's proof that some of the city's best architecture is hidden in neighborhoods just like Palmer Square. Well, that's our walk through the north side of Palmer Square. I don't know about you, but every time I'm here, I end up with a new favorite house. Whether you came here for Chicago Med filming locations, the architecture, or just to spend a little time exploring Chicago, I hope you had so much fun as I did. If you enjoyed today's walk, I would really appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps me keep exploring Chicago and share these hidden gems with all of you. Think you've seen everything Logan Square has to offer? Think again. Next Sunday, we're uncovering some of the neighborhood's most unique finds, the kind of places that are easily missed unless you know where to look. I can't wait to show you. Until then, thanks for walking with me. I'm Beth. This is BB in the City, where every corner has a story.